Are you wondering if YouTube TV lets you skip commercials? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain how ads work on the platform. If you're tired of sitting through commercials, you'll want to hear this. Yes, YouTube TV does let you skip commercials, but only in certain situations. When you record shows or movies using YouTube TV's DVR feature, you can fast forward through ads during playback. This is one of the biggest advantages of the service. Unlike live TV, where you have to sit through commercials, recorded content gives you the flexibility to skip them entirely. However, if you're watching live TV, you won't be able to skip commercials because the ads are part of the live broadcast. Some on-demand content on YouTube TV may also include ads that cannot be skipped, depending on the network or licensing agreements. That said, YouTube TV doesn't offer a completely ad-free experience, like premium services such as Netflix or Disney+. If this video helped you understand how YouTube TV handles commercials, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.